Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on XRP. I'm here to inform you that we have done our second retrace in the market maker structure, and we are currently on our way to perform a last leg down to the downside before we reverse to the upside again. But where is our targets and what will happen to XRP? Well, let's look at the charts. Yeah, so let's start off with zooming out a bit and see what Bitcoin has done previously during the last couple of days and weeks. We performed a double top formation, which I've been talking about for a while. Had our first leg down, first retrace, second leg down. We performed our second retrace probably. We need to break this low and close below this point right here at 25.8k. A solid 1 hour candle below this. And we can confirm that we are in our last leg down. And we have the targets to the downside pretty clear. We have the first one here at 25k. If we move even lower, we could go down to 22.3k and perform a double bottom formation there. Otherwise, we could also go all the way to 20k in our last leg down. That is a possibility because we have an uncovered volume candle in the zone right here. That is where we might form a double bottom formation, and then we'll move out of there in June most likely if this scenario plays out. To invalidate this, we need to break this high right here at 30k. This high right here, our first retrace to the upside in the downwards move. A solid 1 hour candle above 30k, and this structure is invalidated. So pretty interesting to see if this plays out. If you have sort of missed this move and are considering a short, wait for a 1 hour candle solid close below this point right here at 25.8k, and you could ride out. It could go to 25k, it could also go down to 20k. We just have to wait and see. If you are considering longs, wait for a double bottom formation of some kind before you place any longs. Not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do. I'm just here to give you what I see and educate you and entertain you. Looking at the news events for this week, we can see not much is going on. We have a bank holiday in Europe tomorrow, so the banks are closed, so the US will move the markets however they want. We have the unemployment claims coming out. And on Friday we have Jerome Powell speaking. Could move the market, but most likely will not. He'll just say that they are data driven and they're gonna increase the rates if they see the inflation still being high and so on. So I don't think he's gonna say something crazy, but if he says, the market's gonna move. So not much to consider in terms of news. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a lot of liquidations at this point. $174 million at 28.153, and there is a cluster of liquidations here up until the 28-29k area, so we could actually have a spike higher and continue with our second retrace to the upside, and then we will move to the downside and probably grab this liquidity right here at 21k. A lot of liquidations at this point for market maker to grab. Looks interesting. So yeah, let's look at XRP. Yeah, XRP had a nice quick pump to the upside and now is currently retracing. We have a lot of volume candles in this zone which aren't covered but could be on its way to be covered here at 42 cents approximately. And I do think we're gonna recover those pretty soon. I possibly see a double top scenario playing out soon, where we have a spike up, grab our retail traders thinking that, well, we're gonna pump to the upside even higher, and that is where they reverse quickly to the downside and grab that liquidity. Something that I'm looking at, so if you are considering any trades on XRP, wait for this scenario possibly, not financial advice, but that could play out, and if we do that, we have a lot of volume candles to the downside as well. First one here at 40 cents, the next one 37, which is uncovered, and we could go all the way down to 34 cents. That's what I'm looking at for XRP. if we still continue and pump even higher than this, the next target to the upside is at 49 cents. Break that, we have a big uncovered volume candle at 53 cents approximately. Something to look at least if you're considering any trades on XRP. Very volatile assets, and I do think that we will recover this sooner rather than later at 42 cents. Not financial advice. And that's it for today. I hope you learned something and that you like and subscribe to this channel. It's free of charge to subscribe and it helps us a lot. Have a good one. Big Boss out.